Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today video is all about the beauty of embroidery and how it turns a simple outfit into something truly special. Embroidery is more than just decoration, it is an art. Every stitch, every thread and every pattern tell a story. From delicate floral to detailed traditional design, embroidery adds life or personality to fabric. In this design, I choose a soft base fabric and added elegant floral embroidery. The colors are carefully selected to create a balanced and eye-catching look. You can always experiment with different shades, bright color for a bold look or pastel for a soft and graceful vibe. What makes embroidery so unique it is that the completely customizable. You can create your own pattern, add name or even mix modern and traditional design to make something truly one of a kind. This type of work is perfect for dresses, top, dupattas and even accessories. It adds a premium and handmade feel that make any outfit stand out. Embroidery also requires patience and creativity, but the result is always worth it. It is not just fashion, it is a passion stitched into fabric. I hope this design inspires you to try embroidery and create something beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.